Zoisha. Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl, Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, oh, I look so cute! Happy holidays! I just finished recording a video. I don't know if this video is gonna go up before that one. If it does, go check out my favorite holiday songs. If it's not, you look out for it. It's coming. But it's Sunday. I should be getting ready to go to sleep because I have work tomorrow. But I need to get my house preparation. I am having a game night at my house. Some of you are coming, and my family and my friends. So I'm trying to get my apartment ready for that. I've been like out and about trying to like, you know, get my house in like the festive feeling or whatever, because like I haven't really hosted anything since I moved here. I tried to have a game night earlier this year for my birthday. Didn't really work out. And so, yeah, I haven't really had anything at my house. I feel like it's going to be a good turnout. Hopefully all goes well. Even if my outside people are all right. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not picky or whatever. But I'm just trying to get into the festive of things. It doesn't help that I watch people like Jayla and Raven Elise on like YouTube, where like I see like, you know, like when I'm taking them things too in terms of decoration and all these things. But me kind of good, you know, with a little DIYs and stuff like that. So I'm going to try a little thing, isn't me? So yeah, I you know, I do event stuff, decorating and stuff like that, and I had a Winter Wonderland themed party earlier this year, so I did have some things left over. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do like different areas in the house. Tomorrow my sister is supposed to be dropping off a table and chair for me. I think I mentioned that in the last vlog where I was decorating the tree. So the food area is gonna be in my kitchen. I have a really long fold out table, so I'm just gonna use that part for the food. I don't really want any food out here in the living room because this is where we're gonna be playing the games. And then I wanna have like a photo area, like initially when everybody comes in and like before them belly puff up from food and stuff like that. I want pictures and stuff like that. And then obviously, yeah, we're gonna have the games and stuff like that. I want when they come in, like there's like a little section for like little like finger snacks, hopefully. And then I need like a table for like the liquor drinks and stuff, like, or I can just leave that actually like in the kitchen or whatever. But yeah, I'm just trying to like festive up my place as much as possible. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the stuff that I bought. For now, I went and I got the extra light and ribbon for the tree. I have to fix it up because I don't really like how it looks, and then I bought the wrong lights. So excuse me, I have to change these ones because I actually like the bright white light. I don't like the warm yellow lights, how it looks. Over here is where I'm thinking to do the photo area. I have this tree to use at the Winter Wonderland party that I had last year. I didn't end up using it because I was going to use this as the gift table thing to put the birthday boys' gifts underneath, but I didn't end up, oh my God, it was just a difficult thing to get to the party and all of that stuff. So yeah, this didn't end up coming with me. So I'm thinking I have these empty boxes. I'm just gonna wrap them up and use them as props for underneath the tree. I have tablecloth because I don't have my backdrop thing here. If I get it before the weekend, great. If not, oh well. The back is what I want to do is actually better with the tablecloth. I think it will work better with the tablecloth. I'm just gonna hang tape the tablecloth onto the wall, and then I bought this thing to hang underneath. If you guys can see, there's like a thing here where I can hang this thing. Don't mind, I don't know what, like I have to still paint over here, so don't mind how it looks. But yeah, I bought this thing to hang over here. There's like some like snowflake thingies that are coming down, so it's gonna give a really nice effect. And I'm gonna get this snow for the ground. I had some, but we used it in the barrel to help wrap up some of the stuff, so I gotta go back and get the fluff thingy so to make the snow. So I'm gonna use that, and then I have some snowflakes and stuff. I'm gonna make a banner that says either like happy holidays or something like that for like the backdrop, and then I'm gonna make some photo props. This is where I think I'm gonna put like the initial like snacks and stuff like that. And yeah. So I bought these trees. I bought 2 of these ones, right? I put one in my bathroom And then this one I just have like on this side table here. I have these from last year, so I'm just gonna go buy a vase and I'm gonna put these in a vase, and then I'm gonna try to see if I can get like some silver or blue ones to go with it as well. I found these ornaments, so I'm gonna put these on my tree because they're clear and they go with the theme. This I bought for the food table. It's just a snowflake tablecloth. I wanted to go with this, still the same theme in my house: the blue, the whites, the clears, the silver. Yeah, this I bought for like my window area because yeah, I'm just gonna like run it across, and then I'm gonna probably get like more bowls like those and put them on the ends where they need to go. I have these Christmas trees. They're just like these paper Christmas trees. You just open them and spread them out. So I'm gonna put some on the table, and then just like other places like around the house. I have these boxes. This is like a speech bubble, so I can write something on it or whatever. And then I have the actual like word box as well. So I'm gonna use that either for like the food table or whatever. These are balloons. So I have those, and then I have this sitting up snowman. So I think I'm gonna put this in the photo area like as well, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, oh, so excited because I was supposed to use that at the party last year too. What else? I went and I got some stuff today. So this is the color tablecloth I'm gonna use for the backdrop. This I got to wrap the presents. I bought this Christmas tree. It's clear. It was supposed to light up, but the thing was gone, so it was supposed to be $250, but they gave it to me for $1. And then I bought this. I bought this one as well. It's silver. It's so nice and pretty. What else? I have this for like a platter. I feel like it will go with the theme, maybe not, if I don't just end up getting all silver stuff. I also got this. It's just like a table decor set. What else? Oh, shiznit, I was supposed to do something for somebody today. What else? That's it. Oh, and I have my light up reindeer as well. So I have a few things. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by like decorating my thing. Oh yeah, for the tree, you guys can't really see it, but I did end up going in and like spraying some stuff like on the tree, like fake snow, because that's like the look that I wanted it. I wanted it to look frosty. So that's what I ended up doing afterwards. I need to add more. So I have another one that I found from last year. So yeah, it's just like some snow spray. You literally just spray it on. And it turns white. Love it. Like winter in your house. Ooh. Patata. So yeah, this is where we're at for now. I guess when I finish doing the rest of the decorations, I'll come back and show you guys. But this is it for now. I got my bed. Okay, toodaloo.